So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. This is your final reminder. Tonight, probably around 9:15, 9:30 Eastern, we will be live streaming our fireworks show, and it is going to be an incredible show. It really is. It's not just fireworks, it's a whole thing. You'll just have to watch it and you'll understand what I'm talking about. But right now, we're going to do like a real-time drive-through of the property here, show you what to expect for later on tonight. First up, Blueford is going to have front row seats for the fireworks show. We're down here at the wood yard right now. We're gonna hop in the sidekick here, head up to the house. But ground zero for the fireworks gonna be right in this area right here. We have tons of fireworks. We'll show you that here in just a second. Come up here to the house and show you the entire layout here and what to expect. Eva's over there putting tablecloths on all the tables. Hunter is walking around supervising everything. Got a little cornhole setup going here. They're going to bring some other games for over in this area, but I think we have enough seating for about 200 people, I believe. Got all the coolers and stuff here with pop and water. They just fired up the grills over here. Bern, you want to tell them about your super secret recipe? You don't have to. Just tell them basically what it is. We don't want this getting out to the world.
That's right. So this is a special Polynesian mix. We make this. Pretty much everybody has a variation of this, but it's basically just brown sugar, garlic, ginger, green onions, and soy sauce. So those are the key basic ingredients. You can play around with it depending on how you like them. I've been playing around with this particular recipe for the last 20 years, and so yeah, I've got it to a spot where I can actually know my portions, so I can kind of repeat it. But that's the fun of it. You can always kind of mix it around and experiment with the taste.
And these are chicken thighs.
Yes, they work best with chicken thighs and marinated overnight. So if you give it like 12 hours to marinate, it's really good.
Right.
And the other key is charcoal, right?
Gotta have charcoal.
Gotta have charcoal, so cook with charcoal. Yeah.
Well, it looks good. I'm just giving everyone a quick tour here of what to expect here.
All right,
thanks.
Well, see you all later.
And you come in here. This will be all the serving area for all the food. Over here are all the fireworks. What I do with these 200 gram cakes and some of the smaller 500 gram cakes, the ones that aren't real heavy, I use liquid nails and I glue them all to boards, because the last thing you want is something falling over when you're down there lighting them up. We got all these 200s here, 200 gram cakes, 500 gram cakes, some of these big 9-shot on a board, 500 gram. These are the Z pattern ones. More 500 gram cakes here. Mortar racks down in there, mortar racks here. And what I did, I parked my landscape trailer right out here on the back side. So when we get close to dark, I'll get a bunch of volunteers. We'll carry all the fireworks out here, put on the landscape trailer, and take them down to the wood yard. We've got all the Kubotas here lined up to greet everybody. Even have grandson ties right there in the front. Come around this side of the building over here. This is one of the things you can't forget about when you're having a big party at your house. I got stuff parked everywhere. I moved everything out of the way. Dump trailer parked right here for all the garbage bags. That's about it. See you tonight around 9:15, 9:30 Eastern. It'll be a really good show. It'd be good, good if you shared this with your friends as well. I think they'll enjoy it. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.